How to add YouTube link to Instagram bio. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. To open YouTube, click on your profile located at bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click your view channel, then click on three dots located at top right corner of your screen. Then click on share, which is the first option. At the bottom, click on copy link and then open Instagram. Click on your profile located at bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on edit profile at the top. In here, click on add link. Then click on add external link. And here add the URL you copied earlier, add title, and then press on tick mark on top right and you're good to go. This is how to add YouTube link to Instagram bio. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.